How to find Duet notification settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find Duet notification settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and let's go back first. Here click these three lines in top corner and then click settings, and here you will find notifications. Click on it and scroll down until you find this one here. Then all you need to do is just click on it if you want to turn it off, and you can turn it on again just by one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.